Welcome to the end of day review for Monday, the 4th of March 2024. Starting off with the economic calendar, there were no red folder news events, and thus the economic calendar had no bearing on our trading. Then moving on to the charts from a daily perspective, we can see that there aren't consecutive bullish or bearish candles. If we ignore the current day, as you can see, yesterday was another bullish day, but essentially coming into the day, it was somewhat a neutral day. Then from a 4H perspective, understanding market structure, we do know that we have a confirmed bearish market structure. From a 4H order flow perspective, we understand that the pullback phase leg was extended last week, which then validated the pullback phase last point of supply. However, on Friday we wicked the pullback phase last point of supply, and because we're reacting to the pro-trend extreme OB, we then validated the pro-trend primary leg, which then created this pro-trend primary OB, which serves as a barrier for counter trend trades, and more so anticipating that this OB will actually result in a 4H ERL, and thus our higher time frame narrative for the day was primarily to short, with the idea to long once this OB is body broken. As you can see, this OB was then body broken at around 4 p.m. my time. However, at that point price had already moved too far to then consider taking additional longs. So having said that, on the 5 minute, the idea of coming into the Frankfurt, London and New York session was to focus on shorting. Obviously we had current day Asia liquidity, which was an additional confluence supporting why we should continue, why we should actually short. However, having said all of that, what we can then see is that Frankfurt put in a high of the day, subsequently superseded by London, and then the London high of the day was taken out by New York. And since we didn't have red folder news, we were unable to validate where the New York high of the day should hold. As you can also see, um, right here, New York didn't actually take out the London low, and thus the London high of the day wasn't validated, so any short entries were not at play. Yeah, so having said all of that, that's pretty much the the end of day review. Um, Quite an average day. We had the higher time frame narrative, but clearly we got it wrong, and luckily for our trade plan rules, we were able to stay out from any losing trades. Other than that, we'll chat again for the London outlook, and yeah, see you then.